What's up guys, it's your boy Slushy coming in with yet again another tutorial video. So today I'm going to show you how you can add a green screen to your clip or movie in iMovie or iPad. Okay, so it's the same thing which applies to mobile too. So once I've come into iMovie, I'm just going to click on the plus sign and click on movie. Once I click on movie, I just want to add the video I want to add my green screen to. For example, it's a Brawl Stars video which I made earlier. You can watch that. The link is in the description below. So I'm going to click on create movie, and then there you go, it's added. So once I find a place, for example, I want to add my green screen effect right here. I'm going to keep it there. Click on the plus sign over here. Go to video, recently added, or all, and go in here. There you go, that's my green screen. Once you click on the green screen you want to add, you're going to have these three options of a plus sign, a play button, and three dots. Click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you have this option of adding it as a green or blue screen, so click on that. Once you've done that, it's just going to show up as a green part with the explosion. So what you're going to do now is just click on the video of your green screen, and it gives you an option of tap a color to make it transparent. So I want to make the green part go away. There you go, it's gone. So if I move further, you can see the explosion stays and the green part is gone. But it wasn't so simple when I was doing it for my video. So what happened was, by default, it would just pick the explosion part to be gone while the green part stayed. So as you can see, it was like this for some reason. There's no video online, nothing which helped me out. I had to figure it out on my own. And once I did, I just wanted to share it to you guys if you guys had a similar encounter with this problem. So again, just click on it, tap on reset, click on the green part, and there you go. That's all you need to do. I hope you guys like today's video. It's a very short one. Hope you guys like the tutorial, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. It helps me a lot, and helps motivate me to make more videos like this. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.